How to change your default payment account in KFC account. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can use in order to change up our payment method in our KFC account. So let's get started. So we can start by opening up the KFC account or go to the KFC website and sign in into our account. Once we've done so, in the top right corner, we should be finding an account option that we can click on. And once we click on it, we can open up the payment methods section here. So click on it, and once we click on it, here on the payment section, we'll be finding our saved cards. We just need to look out for the edit or remove next to the one that you want to change. So go ahead and select it. And once you've selected the change option or edit option, what we can do is we can enter the credentials of the other card, the nickname, the name of the card, the expiration date, the CVV, billing zip code, and many more, and click on the save or update option to save up the changes. And you can also make it as a default card if that option is available. Click on make default card and check the option that says default for the card that you want to use, and you can save and update the changes. If you do not have more than one card saved yet, first of all, you can add up a new card, and once it is saved, you can go into the payment settings and then make that new card your default. And that's it. You can also try removing it. Look out for the remove option instead. And you can try removing the old default card after adding a new one. The new card may be automatically becoming the default. Some versions let you pick the default card when you're checking out for a new order. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can follow out this method and you should be able to change the default payment account in KFC account. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.